Goeiemôre julle in en ommers. Cape Camino het geen bekendstelling nodig nie, maar daarvoor kan ek vir julle aanbeveel nadat ek 'n bietjie gaan stap het, 'n hoed, 'n serp om hom vas te hou dat die wind dit nie afwaai nie, soos die, 'n donker bril, want die son kan nogal aan mense oë seermaak, en 'n paar goeie stapskoene. Al is dit oud, dit moet net ingeloop wees. Anders sit julle ook met 'n regte klein toontjie wat vir dae daarna nog pyn. Cape Camino is vir elkeen van ons wat voel ons het 'n wegbreek nodig. Wat bietjie samehorigheid wil hê. Gaan gerus en kyk op hulle Facebookblad van alles wat jy daar kan vind. Kom ons gaan gesels met Gabriel. Goeiemôre julle, en ons is nog steeds hier in Hopefield en vandag kuier ek weer saam met Gabriel en ons gaan bietjie gesels oor die Cape Camino. Gabriel, ek is so bly om nog steeds met jou te gesels.
Dankie.
Vertel bietjie vir my van die Cape Camino. Daar het nou baie goed verander.
We're doing very well. We grow 25% a year. The country's really supporting us and really enjoying being on the road, being on Camino, being on pilgrimage. And so what we wanted to do is expand what we offer so that we can attract more people. We mostly attract white women over the age, want to walk down here, of 50. But we want to attract more couples, more men, more youth, more foreigners.
Ja, natuurlijk.
So what we're doing is we're splitting our standard course, our standard package into 3 packages.
Okay.
And one is a basic package where it's just accommodation and 1 meal. And the rest of it you do yourself. And that's going to appeal to people who want to bring the price down, but also to people who want the freedom.
Ja.
Who don't want to be told where to eat, what to eat, when to eat.
Ja.
They can enjoy the little restaurants everywhere. So there's a lot of freedom attached to the basic package.
Ja. Ja.
And then the second package is called the standard, which is pretty much what we're offering now, where we include your luggage transfer and we include meals for people who want everything sorted out for themselves. They want to arrive, they don't want to worry about a thing, and everything's done for them.
Of course, ja.
And then we have people who don't want to just walk. They want to immerse themselves in the local community. They want to know who you are.
Ja.
They want to know where you come from, what you think, what's the local art, what's the local culture, what are the local things that we can do that are sort of off the tourist track. And that we're calling the immersive package.
Oh, wow.
And so that gives people an opportunity to really sink their teeth into local culture and local experiences.
Oh, dit is fantasties. Ek en Gabriel het nou onlangs het ons die walking wine tasting, is dit reg?
Yes.
Gedoen in Tulbagh, wat deel is van die Cape Camino.
Well, that establishment, Ouderkloof Farm, is on the Cape Camino, yes.
Okay.
They are one of our hosts, one of our favorite hosts.
Ja, ons het heerlik gekuier. Ons kos was ongelooflik en ons verblyf was absoluut asemrowend. Ons was elke aand so bly dat ons daar kon oorbly. Maar Gabriel, is daar nog iets wat ons die mense mee kan, so 'n teasertjie, iets om hulle te lok na Cape Camino toe. Ons begin daar bo in die Kaap en dan loop ons waarna toe?
We begin at Paardeberg. And from Paardeberg to Tulbagh is omtrent 7 tot 9 dae. Dis die wynlande.
Ja.
Then we go to the farmlands, all the way to Koringberg. And then we go into the communities of Wittewater and Goedverwacht. And Kapteinskloof and Aurora. And then we go over the mountains to Riedlinghuis, across the Elands Bay, and then down a very, very isolated coast until we get to Dwarskasbos, where it's more built up. And then the river mouth at Velddrift. And then the Westkust all the way down to Saldanha. But the sort of things, the sort of teasers that I'd like to tell you, in our immersive courses, our immersive packages, for example, Afsal is a woman called Alta Nell. I don't know if you've met her.
No.
She, every morning her husband brings her however many milk one cow produces, 10 litres or something, and she makes cheeses, and she's got the most beautiful range of cheeses. Now on Cape Camino you're going to be able to spend a day with her and learn how to make cheese.
Fun. fantasties. So dis alles by die prys ingesluit.
Alles by die pryse ingesluit.
Oh, julle.
And then another one that's on the cards that we're going to go and visit tomorrow is in Riedelinghuis. There's a young man there called Etienne, and he's going to show us the Bushman paintings in the area.
Okay.
And there's a couple of options. There's some very difficult ones and some easy ones. And we go and sit and meditate in the caves and experience what our first people would have experienced. I met a very astute professor who happened to be a Khoisan chief. And he told me he doesn't like the word Bushman paintings, and I thought he would object to the word Bushman. But he didn't. He objected to the word paintings. He said they should be called Bushman writings because they're actually sacred writings with deep meaning and wisdom. And these are the things that we need to learn as new South Africans, as we're unfolding each other's diversities in our history. We must get to recognize what these things mean and talk about them and share them with each other and appreciate their sacred and spiritual value.
Ek wil net bevestig, mense soos ek wat nie regtig baie lank kan stap nie. Ons kan korter roetes kies.
You can do anything you like. You can do short routes. You can spend 2 days there. You can do long routes. You can do you can walk the whole route, which is about 36 days now. You can join other people that have already booked. You can book your own. You can do whatever you like. You just talk to us and we'll make a package, a tailor-made package especially for you.
Nou ja, julle, ek dink dit is regtig 'n uitnodiging. Hierdie het ek nou baie kort beleef daar in die Tulbagh area, maar ek sal vir julle sê dit is iets wat onder my vel ingeklim het en loop wil ek nou net loop. Nou ja.
It does exactly that. That klim onder jou vel onder. It's amazing. When I walk Camino de Santiago, you get addicted. You want to get up and walk. You don't have to walk fast. You don't have to walk far, but you want to walk every day.
Ja, daar's net iets wat ek wil sê wat met my gebeur het. Kry jou skoene reg. Anders gaan jy ook met stikkende tone sit.
Ja.
Maar dit is alles goed wat julle met Gabriel en die span kan bespreek wanneer julle bespreking doen. En moenie nalat om dit te doen nie. Hulle kry baie navraag. Baie dankie vir jou tyd en jou liefde. En kyk Camino krim onder 'n mens se vel en jy's reg.
Dankie. Ek waardeer dit.
Mooi loop.